Yeah, good evening, guys. Welcome back to Deco Graphic Design Training. I believe we're doing great today. So, right now, I want to show you how you can download and extract a custom font to your phone and how you can locate it on your PixelLab. As usual, I know many people have been receiving a lot of complaints on how you some people are unable to locate the fonts after download it. They extract it. They find it difficult to locate it on their PixelLab. So this tutorial is meant for that. You are going to learn how you can easily download any kind of font and how you can easily locate it on your PixelLab for use. Because what is the essence of downloading font without making use of it or locate it? Talk less of even using it on our PixelLab. So the first thing is, let's assume you are a novice. You have no idea about font. Just come to the Google, to the Play Store. Then you go to your Google directly, if possible, or the search address, the search bar. Type font. Let's say you say font, or you say free font download. Free font download for PixelLab. Then here you see different kind of fonts. The first application, we have many websites where we can download fonts. This is Da Fonts. We call it Da Font, which is dafont.com. You see, these are the variety of fonts. So I'm going to choose one. I don't have any one at the back of my mind, but I'm thinking of choosing one of my choice now. So let's look at the Australia Custom, which is the first one. Download. Click on download. Then you see automatically it has downloaded there at the top. If your own is not showing anything after download, you click on these three line dots, then go to the download. Then you can see this is the first one you see here. Click on it. Then you must have an application. This application is called Z-Archiver. If you don't have it, you need to go to your Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Then search Z-Archiver. This is the application, sorry. Call it Z-Archiver. Then let me even update it. You have to download the application. After downloading it, then you can do you can follow the first step which I show you. You make sure that you have the Z-Archiver. Then you head into your Google, download the font of your choice, then locate it here. If your own didn't show any location, tap on it, then Z-Archiver will pop up. Click on it once and click on just once. Then you can see all the Australia custom fonts. How can you extract everything? Because there are more than one. At time we have a family name font. Family name means it is not only that font that is bearing that. We have variety that of for that font. It's like my surname. I'm not the only one bearing that surname. I have a brother, I have a sister. The same thing applicable to all these fonts. Now click on the three line dots. Then you are going to tap on it one after the other. After click on the three line dots, just click on multi select. That's what I did, and you started tapping it. After highlighting, you look at the button. There is a mark icon. Tap on it once. There is a download icon. Tap on it once. Then there is this arrow, down arrow icon. It means extract. So what I'm going to do is to just click extract. Then you see archive successfully decompressed. Now you should be able to know that the font we downloaded is called Australia. Now we want to go to our PixelLab right now. Okay, so getting to our PixelLab, this was designed on my PixelLab, as you can see. So I want to have it deleted first. Okay, so let's look at the font now. So we want to search for, go to the font. So we look at the font called Australia. Then these are the fonts here, you can see. So these are because they are families. Remember, that's why we have that. So aside that, in less than 4 minutes, we are done with this. Let me go there. Let's go there again. Let me show you how to still download another one. Then we'll look at it. Cool Vertical. We download the font here. After downloading, you see open. We open with Z-Archiver. We follow the process by downloading. How can you know how many to highlight? Font ends with an address. The address of the font, look at it. After the name vertical compress HV, it must have dot OTT or dot OTF. Those are the two things you are looking for. When you say HTML, it means a written text in code. When you see .pdf, that is portable document format. It's not readable in PixelLab. Now we tap here, click on multi-select, select everything that ends with O.otf. That is the one. I didn't bother about HTML and PDF. Tap on mark, download, and you extract. So you extract automatically. So I have it again. That's why it shows that. So the next thing is, look at the name of the font called Vertica. So I'm searching, I'm coming here, delete this, then search Vertica. You can see these are the fonts here. Vertica. The two fonts are here, and this is another one. So this is how to extract font to your phone. Very easy and very simple to do. Another thing I want you to have at the back of your mind, after following these steps and you discover that the font is not showing, now what you are going to do is that if you are using a mode PixelLab, change it to free, the free one, download it on the Play Store. And if you are using the free one, you are experiencing that, change it to mod. Thanks for watching. I believe this is helpful. God bless you.